In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you get the message, usually on the top right corner, that it says Bluetooth service needs to be initialized on your LG TV, and your remote control doesn't work usually when you get that error message. So it's very simple. It takes just a few minutes, and I'll show you how to get rid of this problem. So let's get started. First step, turn off your TV. Second step, unplug the TV from the power socket. Step number 3, disconnect every HDMI devices that are connected to your LG TV. Disconnect them all from the TV. Step number 4, take the remote control, remove the batteries, and press the power button during 30 seconds. Keep your finger pressed on that power button. Okay. Next step is to plug back the TV into the power socket. Then do not turn on the TV with your remote control. Turn your TV on using the button that is located under it or sometimes on the side of the TV. Then put back the batteries into your remote control. Point the remote control to your TV and press this click wheel. Okay, so let me do it. You may have to do it a few times. And after clicking 2 or 3 times, it should work again. And the problem should be gone for good. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like. If it didn't work and you have other tricks that can work, please leave them down below, type a comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well.